Okay, so let's have a look at question 1b to start with. We've got 6c3 and they've asked us to do it without a calculator. So 6c3 is going to be 6 factorial over 3 factorial times 6 take 3 factorial. So we've got 6 factorial over 3 factorial times, 6 take 3 is 3 factorial. Now 6 factorial is the same as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. 3 factorial, 3 factorial. I'm going to cancel one of these out, which gives us, sorry, I should have kept this zoom out from the start, 6 times 5 times 4 over, well, one of the 3 factorials is left. I'm going to write that as 3 times 2 times 1. And now I'm going to simplify where I can. 6 and 3 simplifies to 2 and 1. 2 and 4, same deal, 2 and 1. So on the top, I'm going to get 2 times 5 times 2. On the bottom, I've got 1 times 1 times 1. Gives us 2 times 5 is 10, times 2 is 20 over 1, but that'll do. Let's have a look at question 2D. Now they've asked us 10C4. So I'm going to rewrite that as 10C4. I'm just used to seeing it in the C notation, which gives us 10 factorial over 4 factorial times 10 take 4 factorial. So I've got 10 factorial over 4 factorial times, 10 take 4 is 6 factorial. I'm going to unroll that 10 factorial. I've got 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial over 4 factorial times 6 factorial. Those 6 factorials are cancelled out. Now you may have chosen to unroll the 4 factorial first, saving yourself a line of working out. So I've got 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. I still have to unroll that 4 factorial. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Let's see what simplifies. 8 and 4 cancels out to give me 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. 3 and 9 cancels to give me 3 on the top and 1 on the bottom. 2 and, this 10, 5 and 1, and the 1 will do. So I'm going to get 5 times 3 times 2 times 7 on the top. On the bottom, I've got 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So I'm going to get 15, 30, 210. That's questions 1 and 2.